हेलो गाइस, आई एम सैयद मोहम्मद आबाद अली और आप देख रहे हैं हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल वाईफाई सक्सेस क्लासेस। गाइस, आज आप पढ़ेंगे स्पोकन इंग्लिश की 6th क्लास, जिसमें आज आप देखेंगे कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे डिबेट क्लास में। और आज का डिबेट क्लास का जो टॉपिक है वो रहेगा माय फेवरेट जर्नी। So without wasting the time, let's start, and I am going to call one by one to all my students to perform on the podium. तो गाइस, सभी स्टूडेंट्स जो कि हमारे सामने मौजूद हैं, वो सभी स्टूडेंट्स आज के इस टॉपिक माय फेवरेट जर्नी पर अपनी परफॉर्मेंस देने जा रहे हैं। और इसलिए मैं सभी स्टूडेंट्स को एक एक करके बुलाने जा रहा हूं और आप देखेंगे कि किसकी कैसी तैयारी है और कौन कितनी मेहनत कर रहा है। सो आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल वन बाय वन टू ऑल माय स्टूडेंट्स, सो गेट रेडी। एंड नाउ first of all, I want to call Mr. Dhruv Singh. Mr. Dhruv Singh, please come on the podium and give your views over the topic. And you guys, please give a big hand.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning. I am Dhruv Singh. I am doing BSc and it's my first year. First of all, I would like to thank my dear sir, Mr. Awad Ali, who gave me this golden and wonderful opportunity to speak in front of you. Firstly, let me tell you that my father lives in Ahmedabad and I also have a house there. And now I am going to tell you about my favorite journey, Farkabad to Ahmedabad. It was 2018. I went to Ahmedabad with my mother. During the journey, I saw very big and beautiful mountains. When I arrived at the station of Ahmedabad, then I called my father. He took us home. We all took rest one day, and next day we all went to the famous places of Ahmedabad, and we all visited the temple of Vaishno Devi. It was my first and favorite journey. With these words, I would like to finish my concept here. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
Nice performance, but confidence में अभी भी कमी थी। तो मिस्टर ध्रुव सिंह, build up your confidence. और इसके बाद मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट को। So I am going to call the next one, Mr. Abdul Salim Siddiqui. Please come on the podium and give your views over the topic. Give a big hand, please. Speak loudly.
Respected sir and dear friends, Assalamu alaikum and wish you a very good morning to all of you. My name is Abdul Salim Siddiqui and I am from Tilagaon. And now I am doing my graduation and it's my final year. As we all know, today's topic is my favorite journey. And before starting my topic, I would like to give my special thanks to my dear sir who gave me this golden and wonderful opportunity to speak on the topic. And I also want to thank him to show me the way of success in my life. And now I am going to share my favorite journey. Just after completing my intermediate, I decided to learn computer, and I went to Anisha Institute with my friend, and I attended their CCC course on computer concept course, and I studied there 6 months, and after 6 months the exam was held. It was 2nd of October 2018 when I was going to Anisha Institute to attend the class, and my friend Sandeep Kumar was with me. At once he saw the notice board where the notifications of exam were written, and when we read the notifications, we came to know that the exams are being held on 8th October. And after getting the information, we became very happy and very excited. We were excited not for the exam, but we were excited for the visit. and then we went to office and we collected our admit cards. We saw firstly the exam center, which was in Kanpur. Our exam center was same, but the date and time was different. And then we came back home and I told my elder brother about my exam. He said, okay, that's good. Go and attend your exam. And then I asked him to come with me because it was my first journey. But he denied. He said, you should do your work yourself. After hearing, firstly I was worried. But after that, I remembered the words of myself who used to say that, do your work yourself, do not depend on others. If you don't leave the company of others, you can't succeed in your life. And these words made me confident. And with this confidence, I went to Kanpur. And my elder brother dropped me at the station, and he also suggested me as a new traveler. He told me that do not talk too much with the strangers, and he also suggested me to take care of my luggage. The main thing he told, did not leave your seat. If you leave your seat, you will have to travel by standing throughout the way. And I did so. When the train reached at Kanpur railway station, my friend received me from there and he brought me in his room, where I took some rest and had food. And then I with my friend went for the visit of Kanpur. And we visited there till evening. And that evening we came back at the room and we passed the night. The next day came, we had breakfast and we again went for the visit of Kanpur. And we visited there till noon. At 2:30 p.m. we reached at my exam center and I attended my exam. Then we decided to go parade, where I purchased some books and I also purchased a t-shirt and a bag for me. And then we reached Kanpur Central Railway Station and we came back home by the train. It was my first journey and my favorite journey because in this journey I learned many more things and many confidence. So with these words I would like to finish my concept here. And that's it. Thanks for giving me your precious time. Have a good day.
अब्दुल सदीम सिद्दीकी, आप देख रहे हैं लाइव क्लास और आपने देखा कि किस प्रकार से अब्दुल सदीम सिद्दीकी ने बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस यहाँ पर दी. His sentence formation, his pronunciation, fluency, each and everything is good. But I always suggest him to build up the confidence and build up the expression. Very soon he will be deserving for that. And now after this performance, I would like to call the next performer, Mr. Sonu Rajput. Please come on the podium and give your views over the topic, my favorite journey. Please give a big hand for this.
Good morning, everybody.
Very good morning.
First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Awadali sir who gave me this golden chance. Before all of you and now, I am going to tell you my favorite journey. My first journey in 2012, I went to Nainital by train. The train was going to run. I was very happy because I was getting to see the Nainital. I reached the Nainital. I see the beautiful rivers and mountains and the beautiful waterfalls. And after that, I stayed for 2 days in hotel. I become to home by train. This was my first journey. With these words, I would like to finish my concept here. Thank you and have a nice day.
सोनू राजपूत, आपकी जर्नी तो बहुत अच्छी थी पर आपकी परफॉर्मेंस ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं थी, बट यू ट्राइड योर बेस्ट, आपने अच्छी कोशिश की, दैट्स वाई इसके लिए हम आपको बधाइयाँ देते हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप बहुत जल्दी एक अच्छी स्पीच देंगे और एक अच्छे स्पीकर बनेंगे। और इस परफॉर्मेंस के बाद मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा नेक्स्ट प्रतिभागी को। नेक्स्ट प्रतिभागी हैं मिस्टर सुफियान सिद्दीकी फ्रॉम जीरागो। सो प्लीज गिव अ बिग हैंड फॉर हिम।
Good morning, everybody.
Very good morning.
Sufyan. First of all, I would like to give my special thanks for dear Sir Sayyid Muhammad Awad Ali, who gave me golden opportunity to speak here. And now I am going to tell you my favorite journey. My dear friend and respected teacher, this journey was very important for me because I went to Kanpur for complete the hour, but my father did not prepare for this. When they would like to, I made our career in medical line, but I am not interested in medical line. Then I convinced my father, they finally convinced. Before journey, I am very excited. And I went to Kanpur with their friend, with elder brother, Salman.
आपने इनकी संस्था में कुछ तालियां वगैरह नहीं बजाई? कभी भी हिम्मत ना तोड़े किसी की, सभी का सपोर्ट करते रहें, क्योंकि अगर आप जब सपोर्ट करते हैं तो सपोर्ट करने से उसका तो भला होता ही है, उसको सपोर्ट तो मिलता ही है, बल्कि साथ ही साथ जो है आप बहुत कुछ सीखते भी हैं। So after this performance, I would like to call the next performer, Mr. Banu Pratap. Please come on the podium and lift your hands for him. Energy आ जाती है भानु प्रताप के नाम पे।
Yes, sir.
Good morning, everybody. First, all of you.
First of all,
First of all, all of you.
first of all,
First of all,
अब आगे भी मत बोलना। नहीं, जी हमें ऐसा लग रहा है नहीं, आई लव यू की जगह पे आई लव यू बोल रहे हैं, तो वी लव यू, वी लव यू।
good morning, everybody. All of you.
फिर आई लव यू
All of you.
नहीं, बोस की जरूरत ही नहीं बची अब।
Good morning, everyone.
नहीं, वो ऑल ऑफ यू उनके मतलब दिमाग में बैठ गया ना, वो वहीं पे वहीं होगा। ऐसे आप बोलेंगे गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी, या फिर गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू, या फिर गुड मॉर्निंग माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। अब जब फ्रेंड्स को अलग कर दिया तो सर को भूल गए तो बुरा लग जाता है, तब आप ये कहेंगे गुड मॉर्निंग माय डियर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिस्पेक्टेड सर। I am Sayyid Muhammad Awad Ali and I am going to tell you my favorite journey. But first of all, I would like to give my special thanks to my dear sir who gave me this golden opportunity to speak before you. It was 2000 Phalana when I went to Phalana Jagah. So after this great effort, I would like to call the next performer, Mr. Fardeen Siddiqui. Please come on the podium and give your wonderful speech on this topic. Please. Give a big hand.
A small moon eclipses a great sun. My dear friends and respective sir, wish you a very very good morning. Today I am going to tell you on my speech topic, my favorite journey. But before speaking on this topic, I would like to thank my dear sir who gave me this golden chance to speak on the podium. My dear friends, It was 2015 when I was going to Agra. I was very excited because it was first time when I was visiting anywhere. During our journey, we stayed in two hotels in Shikhabad and Firozabad. Very soon, we reached in Agra. There I saw a number of the people which I have never seen. So I was seeing here and there. Firstly, I reached my aunt's home who live in Agra. There we became fresh, take rest and got ready to go out. At 10 o'clock we departed from her home for the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a very beautiful building. It is one of the seven wonders of the world. It is built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his dearest wife Mumtaz Mahal. I was visiting everywhere without paying the ticket fee because my uncle is member of Agra Nagar Nigam. We visited the Taj Mahal everywhere. The time was saved, so we decided to go Fatehpur Sikri. It is the city which was begun by Akbar. It was 45 km far from Agra and it was 1 hour journey. Very soon we reached Fatehpur Sikri. When I entered in this city, I saw many kinds of the people which belong to the different community and different countries. They were speaking in English, French and other languages which I could not understand. But I was taking fun very much because I have never seen this type people. At 6 p.m. we departed from there for my home. This was my favorite journey. Now I would like to finish my concept here. Thank you and have a great day.
नाइस स्पीच, बहुत ही अच्छा बोला, लेकिन ग्रामेटिकली मिस्टेक कहीं ना कहीं आप लोग थोड़ी बहुत कर रहे हैं. I will try my best to improve them. And after this performance, I would like to call the next performer, Mr. Aman Khan. Please come on the podium and give your views over the topic today. Please give a big hand for him.
Good morning, all of you.
Very good morning.
First of all, I would like to thank my dear sir, Mr. Syed Mohammad Abad Ali, who gave me to the golden chance to speak all of you. And now I am going to tell my favorite journey. It was 2015. I went to Jaipur. There I went to visit Jal Mahal. There got some information therefrom. After that I went to Kanak Valley. With friends, with your friends in a Kanak Valley. After that, Jaigarh, there can the world largest. After that, Amir went the fort. Then We saw Ismail wandering. Then I returning to home. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Mr. Amar Hussain.
His performance is admiring. इनकी जो परफॉर्मेंस थी वो तारीफ लायक थी। अब आप सोचेंगे तारीफ लायक क्यों थी? तारीफ लायक ये थी कि ये पहले दिन बहुत ही कम कर पाए थे, इनको इतनी हेजिटेशन थी बियॉन्ड द लिमिट। और जिसको बियॉन्ड द लिमिट हेजिटेशन हो, खड़े होने में प्रॉब्लम हो, जिसकी बॉडी जिसका साथ ना दे रही हो, और आज वो इतना बेहतर बोला है, तो ये एक अचीवमेंट है। तो हर एक को जो तारीफ़ें मिलती हैं उसकी क्वालिटी के मुताबिक मिलती हैं। सपोज कोई 90% है और उसने 90 से प्लस किया तो वो तारीफ लायक है, और उसने 90 से 1% भी कम किया तो उसकी वहाँ पर आलोचना होगी, कमी बताई जाएगी। वहीं किसी ने 10% किया हो और वो अगले दिन 11% करता है तो वो भी तारीफ लायक है। तो इस परिस्थिति में दोनों लोगों की तुलना नहीं बनती, उनकी तारीफ या फिर उनकी कमियां उनके लेवल के मुताबिक, और जो नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट है उसकी तारीफ और उसकी कमियां उसकी क्वालिटी के मुताबिक। तो इसलिए नो कंपैरिजन अमंग यू, आप लोगों के बीच में कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है। कंपैरिजन सिर्फ तब होती है जब सामने वाला बंदा जो है वो हमारे लिए चैलेंजिंग है, हमारे इक्विवेलेंट है तब। तो आप लोग सारे लोग एक दूसरे के लिए सपोर्टिव बनेंगे, ना कि सबसे आप जो है चैलेंजिंग एटमॉस्फेयर क्रिएट करेंगे, क्योंकि चैलेंज बराबर वालों में बनता है। तो सीधी सी बात है, क्लास में सारे लोग तो बराबर हो नहीं सकते और होते भी नहीं है। बट हिज परफॉर्मेंस वॉज एप्रिशिएटिंग, तारीफ लायक थी, और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आने वाले वक्त में ही विल डू बेस्ट, कि वो जो है बहुत ही अच्छा करने वाला है। और इस परफॉर्मेंस के बाद आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल द नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मर मिस्टर आदिल खान। प्लीज कम ऑन द पोडियम एंड गिव योर व्यूज ओवर द टॉपिक। प्लीज
Good morning to all of you. I am Muhammad Adil. I belong to Farkhabad. I doing basic and it's my first year. First of all, I would like to thank my dear sir who gave me this golden chance to speak before all of you. Now I am going to tell you my favorite journey. First of all, I went to Marara Sharif. I visited there. I like it there. After this, I went to Badaयूं Sharif, Chote Bade Sarkar. I visited there. After that, I went to Delhi, Nizamuddin Aulia. I visited there and I saw the Jama Masjid and Red Fort and India Gate. India Gate, Red Fort, Jama Masjid in the famous places in the world. I went to Agra. I see the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal was very beautiful. I met the Englishmen. They were very handsome and looking smart as well as beautiful. As well as I went to Ajmer, Khwaja Garib Nawaz. It is very famous places in the world. Khwaja Garib Nawaz, Ajmer Sharif. I visited there. I went to Taragarh. Taragarh was very high, and I saw 2.5 day hut. It is very beautiful places. I enjoy a lot. I would like to finish my concept here. Thank you. That's all. Have a nice day.
Your performance was good, your content was good, but you committed some mistakes grammatically. I hope so कि आप अपनी इन वीडियोस को दोबारा देखकर आप अपनी जो मिस्टेक्स हैं उनको रिमूव करेंगे। और ये बात सिर्फ आप पर ही लागू नहीं होती, बट इट इज़ अलाउड टू एवरीबॉडी, इट इज़ अप्लाइड टू एवरीवन। ओके, सो आफ्टर दिस good performance, I would like to call the next performer, Mr. Zahir Khan. Please come on the podium and give your views over the topic. Please give a big hand for
Good morning, everybody.
Very good morning.
I am Zahir Khan. Today I am going to tell you about my favorite journey. First of all, I want to give my zero thanks to my dear sir who gave me this golden chance to speak before you. It was 2015. I went to Kanpur for today. I visited many places of Kanpur. Kanpur is a big city. From far and wide, the people come to visit here. I saw the view of Kanpur, I saw the Ganga Barrage, and I saw the water park. These 2 days were farming days. Yet I am missing to my house. At last I came back to my house after 2 days. It was my first journey, which I can never forget. Now I would like to stop my concept here. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Zahir Khan, you did your best. आपने बहुत ही अच्छा प्रयास किया और आपका भी जो है परफॉर्मेंस ठीक अमन की तरह ही तारीफ लायक है, बिकॉज आपने भी जो है काफ़ी कोशिश के बाद यहाँ पर आना और खड़े होना सीखा है, तो इट इज़ अप्रिशिएटिंग, तारीफ लायक है। क्योंकि सबसे अहम द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दिस कि अगर आप हेजिटेशन रिमूव कर लेते हैं तो आपकी सफलता की सबसे पहली सीढ़ी स्टार्ट होगी। और आप लोगों को मैं देख रहा हूँ 3 से 4 लोगों ने इस काम को अंजाम दिया है। वेरी फर्स्ट डे आप लोगों को यहाँ में आने में भी हेजिटेशन हो रही थी, लेकिन आज मैं देख रहा हूँ कि आप लोग आ रहे हैं, बाकायदे अपने टॉपिक को परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं। वो बात अलग है कि टॉपिक परफॉर्म करने में अभी पूरी तरीके से जो है ना ही अभी आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो पाए हैं और थोड़े से कंटेंट में भी गड़बड़ी रही है, और साथ ही साथ ग्रामेटिकली मिस्टेक तो धीरे धीरे इम्प्रूव हो ही जाएंगी। और आई होप सो कि ग्रामेटिकली मिस्टेक्स को लेकर इतना ज़्यादा बड़ी भी नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ग्रामेटिकल जो मिस्टेक होती हैं वो धीरे धीरे ही जाती हैं। इसीलिए आपने देखा कि हम आपको बताते हैं कि सदैव आप जो है अपना वीडियो दोबारा जब देखेंगे तो इससे क्या होगा कि आपने जो मिस्टेक्स की हैं वो आपको स्वतः ही दिखाएंगी, और जब आपको दिखा जाएंगी तो आप उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट करेंगे। तो आज की परफॉर्मेंस जो थी सभी की बेहतर रही और सभी के अंदर इम्प्रूवमेंट था। देयर इज़ अ ग्रेट इम्प्रूवमेंट अमंग ऑल ऑफ यू। आप सभी में बाकायदे परिवर्तन था, सुधार था, और यही सुधार चाहिए होता है। इट मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू मी आप सभी लोग प्रोग्रेस की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं। इसी प्रोसेस से अगर आप चलते रहें, इफ यू कंटिन्यू दिस प्रोसेस, देन वेरी सून within 3 months you will be a fluent user of spoken English। क्या आप एक बेहतरीन कम्युनिकेटर होंगे अंग्रेजी के, और आप बेहतरीन अंग्रेजी बोलेंगे अगर यही प्रोसेस, यही मेहनत लगातार आप जारी रखें तो। और सभी ने प्रयास किया, सभी ने सुधार किया, सभी के कॉन्फिडेंट में भी सुधार है, सभी के ग्रामेटिकली मिस्टेक्स भी कम हो रही हैं दिन प्रतिदिन, और सभी लोग जो है अपना कंटेंट भी अच्छे से अच्छा मेंटेन करके ला रहे हैं, और फ्लुएंसी भी सुधर रही है। ये सारे परिवर्तन आप लोगों में देखे जा रहे हैं, लेकिन बस कंपैरिजन नहीं है, कंपैरिजन सिर्फ बराबर वाले में होगा। जो टॉप लेवल पे है वो और जो सबसे लो लेवल पे है वो आपस में कंपैरिजन नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि उनकी कंपैरिजन बनती ही नहीं। और हाँ, मेरे द्वारा की गई तारीफें या क्रिटिसिज्म उनको आप सिर्फ अपने तक लेंगे, आप दूसरे से तुलना नहीं करें। जैसे कि आपको लग सकता है कि मेरा सबसे अच्छा क्लास में था, फिर भी मेरी कमियां निकाली, और फला इंसान का क्लास में सबसे पुअर था लेकिन फिर भी उसकी तारीफ की। सर ऐसा क्यों करते? तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेवल के अनुसार, क्योंकि उनको ऊपर उठाना है तो हिम्मत हौसला भी देना है और तारीफ भी करना है, करेज भी देना है। और जो ऊपर है वो ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट ना हो जाए, अपनी ज़िंदगी तबाह और बर्बाद ना कर ले, अपने पैरों पे कुल्हाड़ी ना मार ले, तो इसलिए उन्हें उनकी कमी बताकर उनको नीचे भी रखना है। आई नो व्हाट आई डू, लेकिन आपको अपना एक्स्ट्रा दिमाग नहीं चलाना है, और ख़ास तौर से रिलेटेड टू मी। और आज का जो क्लास था यहीं पर ओवर होता है। ऑल द बेस्ट।